Welcome to my channel Aisha Talks, and I hope you all are doing great. People often ask me why I have chosen to become an English language teacher, and I always tell them that this is a field that is very close to my heart. Why it is very close to my heart? Because reason number one, as an English teacher, it gives me rather opportunities for lifelong learning. I can learn many things at the same time, and I can also teach my students. So this is, for me, this is an opportunity to learn and also teach at the same time. So this is my reason number one. Reason number two is that I can always inspire my students. I can always make a difference in their life. They can follow me, they can be inspired with the knowledge, with all the personality, and this is actually generally true. We are always inspired by our teachers. So teachers are those individuals who can make a difference in the student's life, and that's what I wanted to have, that privilege I wanted to enjoy, that if I'm able to inspire one life, one mind, that I will call it my success. So this is my reason number two, is that I want to become that inspiring role model for my students, and I want to make a difference. Reason number three is, of course, it will help others, and it will help me to be very creative. As an English language teacher, I can be highly creative, because when I'm designing lessons and when I'm thinking about designing activities for my students, and if I'm considering that my students' population is diverse in nature and their interests are different, so I will have to consider all these things while designing activities for them and while helping them out in learning better form of language. So this will make me very creative, and nobody likes dull people, nobody likes to see boring people. So as an English language teacher, I'm always learning. I'm always trying to find better solutions for my students. So why not? Why not I would choose such a profession that would keep me very active, and that would keep me energetic, that would keep me very creative. So this is my reason number three. And reason number four, if you are considering the inflation in society and the monetary incentives and the benefits in terms of salary, then trust me, as an English language teacher, you can earn a reasonable amount for yourself and for your family. So if you want to join this field just to earn money, that you will not be disappointed, because you can, there's a reasonable incentive that you can get. So as an English language teacher, there are many other benefits also that you can, of course, think of. But my four reasons for becoming English language teachers is, of course, I want to inspire others, I want to be creative, and I want to learn at the same time, I want to teach. So, and of course, good incentives in terms of monetary benefits. So these are my four reasons. If you want to share your reasons why you have chosen a certain career path, and what are your reasons to choose a certain field, then you can always send me a message. You can always leave your opinion in the comment section, and so you can tell me your reasons, your choices, and you can always leave a comment in the comment section, and I will get back to you. You can tell me what is your reason, why you have selected your particular profession, and what are your reasons. So let's have a good discussion on that, and I will get back to you. Of course, we can have a very good, fruitful talk. Then these are the things that I wanted to share in this particular video, that whenever you choose a certain field, you have certain viewpoint, and you have certain reasons, and these were my reasons. So I hope you liked it, and if you like it, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. This is Aisha Khan signing off. Bye bye.